Hi there. Welcome to my shop. Because my team and I are members of the Board Retailers Association, we get access to a savings program from Office Depot, which translates into great deals on everything we need to run the store. Here, let me show you around. So this is our break room. As you can see, we have plenty of snacks, and our fridge is stocked with soda and bottled water. Oh, and we have a Keurig machine for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. Soap and paper towels are ready to go by the sink, and we stay stocked up on hand sanitizer and extra face masks for customers and employees. Believe it or not, this is all from Office Depot. Yeah, we like to keep everything as clean as possible around here. So let me show you where all that stuff is. Okay, next stop on the tour, our supply closet. We keep all of our cleaning supplies right here, as well as anything needed for our restrooms. You name it, we pretty much got it, and it all came from Office Depot. So this is where we place orders, print invoices, and things like that. Also, if we ever have an emergency, our medical kit is right over there. All of our signs are printed for us. We're always looking to promote our services and merch, so all that's printed through Office Depot. In fact, we just had these done for us. That savings program I mentioned, it doesn't stop at products. We get great deals on banners, branded signage, even our social distancing stickers. And yep, they're all from Office Depot. In fact, when it comes to finding solutions that help me run my store, Office Depot is a one-stop shop. They make things simple, and thanks to them, we've been able to streamline our operations in a big way. That means we can focus more on our customers and having fun. Isn't that what business is all about? Please contact Doug Works, Executive Director of Board Retailers Association at 760-500-5716 or doug@boardretailers.org to start benefiting from this savings program.